this is the famous statue of the Happy Prince.
Yes, this is the famous statue of Happy Prince. He is very well known in this land. Happy Prince lived in the beautiful palace of Sanssouci. In the daytime, he played with his friend in the palace garden. He sang and laughed at night. He had no idea about the people of this world who lives outside his palace.
You mean he never felt sad?
Sorrow never entered the door of the prince's palace, so everyone called him Happy Prince. After his death, the townspeople built a statue of his in the center of the city in his remembrance and named it same.
The Happy Prince is built with gold from head to foot. His eyes are two precious and sapphires, and there is a big red ruby on his forehead.
In this town, everyone loves him. It will be awesome if we had lived the Happy Prince life.
At least there is one truly happy man in this town. That is something.
Mother, please buy me a one doll. Mother, buy me a one doll.
I cannot understand why you keep crying. Why cannot you be happy like Happy Prince? Do you know that the Happy Prince never cries for new things?
Please, mother, buy me one doll.
Follow me.
It's much too cold here. My old friends will go to Egypt for warmth. I too must fly, but tonight I will rest in this unknown town. The shelter between the feet of this golden statue, it is enough to spend the night. I thought this golden room was good shelter, but I am getting wet in the rain. And yet the sky is clear, it is not raining. Who are you? Why are you crying?
I am the famous Happy Prince. I live in the beautiful palace of Sanssouci, but now I am dead and a statue. I stand in the middle of this town. I can see all the poor people and ugly things in my land.
I see you have a golden heart.
My feet are fixed here. I cannot move. Please help me, little swallow.
But my old friends will go to Egypt. I cannot delay.
Hey, the little swallow, please stay with me for one more night. There is a poor house in a little street. A woman is making a beautiful dress for the beautiful and young lady of the palace. She is unhappy and poor. Her son is suffering from fever. Hey, little swallow, please take the ruby from my sword hill and give it to her.
Oh mother, please give me a medicine. I am very sick.
It will be okay. You know, we have no money.
I feel sorry. Looking at you, I don't say no to the people. I will help you. Oh mother, please do something.
Sleep, child, sleep. God will help us. We will be rich and buy medicine for you.
Okay, mother.
That happens when you do something good to help someone.
I will leave for Egypt tonight. I will stay with you through the day.
Please, little swallow, help me. Please, little swallow. Far away in a little attic, I see a brown-haired young man. He is poor and unhappy. He is writing a play for the theater. Hey, little swallow, please take the sapphire from my eye and give it to her.
But my old friends will go to Egypt. They are going to fly a river Nile to Luxor. I cannot delay.
Please, little swallow, help me. Please stay with me for one more night.
Swallow. Someone likes my a lot. Now I can write my plea.
No, little swallow, please help me. I see a poor girl in the town square. She has no shoes. Hey, little swallow, take the sapphire remaining in my other eye and give it to her.
Impossible. I cannot make you blind.
Please, little swallow, you must do it.
Swallow, for your help. Now I am rich and buy a new shoe. You are blind now, so I must stay with you always.
No, little swallow, you can go to the warm Egypt now.
I am staying with you.
Okay, fine. If you stay with me, fly over this land and tell me what you see.
Okay.
Oh God, I am extremely poor.
Oh Lord, please help us. Everything is God's will. God is always good. I saw many unhappy and unfed people.
Okay, take all the gold from my body and distribute among the poor people.
Thank you, Swallow. Thank you, Swallow.
Thank you, Swallow. Thank you. Now we can eat and smile.
Goodbye, my prince.
Good. I am happy about that. Now you are going to the warm Egypt.
I am not going to Egypt. I am going to the house of brother dying.
Oh, my dear counselor, do you see that a dead bird is on the feet of famous statue of Harry Prince? It's so bad. We must make a new law. Right. Any bird cannot die in the town square or near Harry Prince.
Okay, boss.
Oh dear, what an ugly thing our prince in these days.
Where's the ruby in his soul?
Where the sapphires in his eyes?
Where's all his gold in his body?
He is no better than a beggar. I find him very ugly.
Yes, very ugly.
Take it away, it isn't beautiful anymore.
And
Take it to furnace to the mill. We will have a new statue. I want a statue of me.
No, I want a statue of me.
No, I want a statue of me. I want a statue of me. I want a statue of me.
No, I want a statue of me.
Wake up, happy prince, wake up. Wake up, little swallow, wake up. Forever will the swallow now sing in my garden, and the happy prince live in my city of gold forever.
Thank you, my angel.
You have done a great job. Dear swallow, you will stay with me in the paradise and sing forever.
Thank you, my angel.
And you, happy prince, live in my city of gold forever.
Thank you, my angels.
Now we will live together forever.
Please follow us.
Atau